In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3-month social media marketing campaign using ChatGPT. This process is straightforward and can really elevate your campaign planning, whether you're marketing for a new coffee shop or any other type of business. So, let's dive right in. First things first, fire up your web browser and head to chat.openai.com. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now to access the chat features fully. Once you're logged in, you'll find a chat box waiting for your input. It's here where you'll type in your initial request. For example, if you're planning a campaign for a new coffee shop, you might type, "Plan a 3-month social media marketing campaign for a new coffee shop." This sets the stage for ChatGPT to get to work on creating a customized plan for you. After sending your request, it's crucial to provide specific details about your campaign to get the best results. Let's say your target audience consists of young professionals in New York City. Be sure to include that information, as it will help ChatGPT tailor the campaign to resonate with your audience. Drawing on this focus can make your content far more relevant and engaging. To organize your plan effectively, ask ChatGPT to provide a week-by-week action plan. Simply type, "Give me a week-by-week action plan." Press Enter or click the Send icon to send off your request. ChatGPT will use these parameters to generate a detailed outline, which is a fantastic way to see how the campaign will unfold over time. This step-by-step guide helps ensure nothing falls through the cracks and keeps you on schedule. Once you've received your outline, take a moment to review it thoroughly. Confirm that the ideas align with the tone of your brand and, perhaps most importantly, fit well within your budget. This check is essential as it allows you to tailor the campaign to your needs and make any necessary adjustments. Consistency in tone and budget adherence can really make or break the effectiveness of a marketing initiative. If you find areas that need modification, don't hesitate to refine your request further. For instance, you might want to include an influencer collaboration segment to amplify your reach. In that case, you could type in a request like, "Add a section for influencer collaborations." ChatGPT will then provide suggestions for this new addition. Once you're satisfied with the campaign plan, it's time to integrate it into your workflow. Copy the final plan and paste it into your marketing calendar or project management tool of choice. This ensures all team members have visibility into the plan and can track the progress effectively, keeping everyone on the same page. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effectively use ChatGPT to map out a comprehensive social media marketing campaign. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on leveraging technology in your marketing efforts. See you in the next video.